I am a normal being with normal creation, yet clapping for abnormal acceptance. I am a being with normal feelings, yet perceived as abnormal love. My song is praise for your love, but my love a mental disease. Years of battle to be a legal person, yet not normal being of a creator.
कुदरत की निज़ाम के खिलाफ।
आयुर्वेद ने स्पष्ट कहा है कि जो भी एलजीबीटी से जुड़े हुए लोग हैं, इनकी दो जगह हैं, या तो दवा खाना, अगर वहां ना ठीक हो तो फिर पागल खाना।
ये चीज़ उचित नहीं लगती, क्योंकि इससे हो सकता है कि हमारी नौजवान पीढ़ी खराब हो।
जो होमोसेक्सुअल है, जो समलैंगिक है, वो भी एक मानसिक बीमारी है और अपराध भी है।
This short film is an attempt to make people aware about the current situation of the LGBTQ community. Colonial rulers criminalized sexual activities against the order of nature via Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code. Manusmriti stated that the relationship between two men is inappropriate and that intercourse between two men renders them an outcast. Representation of the LGBTQ community on various forms of media seems to further exacerbate the community's plight. Homosexual people have never been shown in good light. It is a common perception in people to simply discard them. The blame for this is partly faulty upbringing and influence from cinema and society. This has resulted in corrective rape, wherein forceful sex is used as a means to convert a person into a heterosexual. The invariable humiliation often results in suicides due to unbearable agony. Studies have estimated that 26 to 43% of transgender individuals have attempted suicide at least once in their lifetime. Multiple NGOs have been helpful in order to make the lives of these people simpler in more than one way. For instance, NGO SAPO provides various facilities like community meetings to address psychological and emotional issues faced by the community. They also provide a library facility known as Chetana to LGBT people. In the Nas Foundation case, the Delhi High Court held that Section 377 was violative of the right to equality, as it unreasonably discriminated against homosexuals as a class. The Supreme Court in Navteej Singh Johar versus the Union of India partially declared Section 377 to be unconstitutional inasmuch as the provision sought to criminalize homosexual sex. In Nalsa versus the Union of India, the Apex Court legally recognized third gender or transgender persons for the first time. In 2019, the government enacted the Transgender Persons Act. The act provides for a minor's right to live with their family, which ignores the fact that many families are often a source of abuse, leading to a harmful environment. The act strongly focuses on trans women and hijras while failing to provide specific policies targeted towards improving individuals who are intersex, genderqueer, or even trans men.
So education becomes the core in empowerment of transgenders. So educational institutions need to create a gender neutral environment. They should have a zero tolerance for any kind of violation of rights. The curriculum should be making students sensitive to all kinds of diversity, particularly about the transgenders, which is about celebrating such differences rather than belittling them or discriminating against them.
In order to work towards this issue at the grassroots level, it is imperative to reform the school education programs by including programs such as preventing bullying, organizing sex education workshops, and providing counseling. Online portals or helplines should be set up. Anonymous reporting should be made available. The central and state governments should implement schemes to make workplace culture more inclusive of the LGBTQ people. Setting up a national commission for the LGBTQ community will help by enabling voicing issues through an official channel.